Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the card balance and expiration. This prevents failed purchases later. Once you're signed in, go straight to the account wallet or gift card page and click Redeem. Make sure the code is clear. Type it exactly, including hyphens if shown. If the site asks for billing info, enter it to validate the card. This does not charge your card if the gift balance covers the purchase. Once the code is accepted, you'll see the funds appear in your account balance, ready to spend immediately. Now you apply the balance to a purchase, add your items and go to checkout. In the payment section, choose gift card or gift balance and paste the code. Double-check characters before applying. If the card covers only part of the total, the system prompts for a secondary payment. Pick one and finish entering details. Make sure shipping and taxes are calculated after applying the gift. This ensures you know how much extra you must pay. Once confirmed, submit the order, and you'll receive an email receipt with the updated balance. Finish by reviewing the confirmation and saving the receipt. You'll want the remaining balance for future purchases. If the code fails, first verify you entered it exactly, then check the card's region and that it's activated. Some cards need activation at the register. If problems persist, contact Zillion support and provide the card image, code, purchase time, and your account email. This speeds resolution. Finally, if funds remain, they stay in your account wallet. Use them on subsequent orders until depleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.